Welcome to TubeMagic AI, the revolutionary tool that turns YouTube videos into high-ranking SEO content, engaging social media posts, and more. In this tutorial, we'll show you how easy it is to use TubeMagic AI to transform your content creation process. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use TubeMagic AI. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, TubeMagic AI is designed to help you create amazing content effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about some powerful use cases for TubeMagic AI. You can turn YouTube videos into high-ranking SEO blog posts to drive traffic to your site. You can do that using this option here. Generate engaging social media posts that boost your online presence. Use this option to start creating social media posts using any YouTube video as a source. Create informative ebooks and lead magnets to grow your email list. You can click here to start converting YouTube videos into ebooks. Repurpose YouTube videos into comprehensive online courses to sell. This is the option for creating online courses using YouTube videos. Now let's get started with the step-by-step process. Let's say you want to convert a YouTube video into a detailed, high-converting affiliate article. To do that, first click on the Affiliate Review Creator option. Once you are inside this option, you need to add a link to the YouTube video you wish to convert into a review article. In our case, we are using this iPhone review video as an example. Simply copy the URL of this YouTube video, paste it into TubeMagic AI, and click Convert. TubeMagic AI will automatically analyze the video and create a detailed SEO-optimized review article for you using that YouTube video as the source. Now you can customize this content as you like. Add your affiliate links and post it on your blog or website. If you wish to copy this content, simply right-click to select and copy all the content, or you can click the eye icon on the top left corner and copy this entire review article in Markdown. This means you can directly paste it into your favorite blogging platform or editor, and it gets pasted with all the formatting intact, saving you time. You can also click on the Results tab to see all the content you have previously created. Use TubeMagic AI to effortlessly create new content and watch your engagement and traffic grow. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, TubeMagic AI helps you create high-quality, engaging content from YouTube videos. It's never been easier to boost your online presence.